So here we have the Karcher K2 high pressure washer. There's the box, there's the pressure washer, okay, and here is the results. So this is literally just the pressure washer. It's not the top spec one, but you can see there's a very obvious difference between what I cleaned yesterday and what I've had for, you know, a good couple of years, because I've never pressure washed my patio. I haven't used any particular product or anything, but you can see we've got this you know, quite dark, muddy, stained patio over here, and then this nice, clean, lighter, much brighter patio over here to the right. So I'm actually about to go and do the second half now, but I wanted to do it like this so I had a bit of a comparison for you. I think it's actually a really big difference, and it shows that you don't need the top spec version to do it. You can see just here there's kind of these sort of like lines coming this way, okay? So that is the there's a basically it does this, that circle thing, that yellow thing just there makes that kind of circular motion. That's why you get that. I also was playing with the kind of the actual nozzle over here, just giving you a bit of a feel for it, and you can see there, whereas, you know, very clearly it has blasted through the dirt. So yeah, really impressed, really happy. Here is the results. So I hope this helps you out. K2 high pressure washer.